Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Cynthia Maynard and today I have a video of an unboxing of my Mockmill Flaker. I waited about a month. These were out of stock when I went to order it. I freshly mill my grains and I have to do it full-time now, whereas I was doing it before for health reasons, but my daughter was diagnosed with a JIA. It is an autoimmune disease and it's attacking her jaw, and we had to put her on a pretty strict autoimmune anti-inflammatory diet. She also can't have oats, and so for me, that is, oats are a pretty easy one for people to transition to, but she can't have oats anyways for other reasons. So anyway, I've got all these grains, but I don't have, I thought, well, getting this flaker will help with, like, I make an overnight oat, quote unquote, thing with spelt flakes that I buy. I'll show you that later in the video. But I already have spelt, so it makes more sense for me to just flake it myself instead of buying the already flaked bag. So here's the little book that you get with it. Again, this is made by Mockmill, which is a great company. And I don't have their Mockmill. I have a Nutrimill grain mills, but the Mockmill, it just seems like a great company. Here's the inside here, the sort of hopper where those burrs are there that you put the grain into, and it's pretty simple setup. Here's the heavy duty cord there. And here's a little thing. I don't know if I've quite figured out if I'm using that other thing the right way, that white thing, but we'll see. Anyways, I don't know if it just keeps the dust out or what. I'll have to get back to you on that one. But anyways, so it's a pretty simple, it's actually heavy duty for its size. It feels like it has a good strength to it. So I just keep it in my pantry and pull it out when I need it. And there are all my grains there. So here I flaked some, and that's what it looks like. Now it's not as pretty as, say, the bag that I'm going to show you here, the difference between the Shiloh brand spelt flakes that I've been getting from Food to Live, and which is right here. Of course, you can get it other places as well, and they're very tasty and good, but I'll show you a little difference here. So this is the sort of commercially flaked, crushed, flattened, if you will, spelt there. And then here's the one from the Mockmill. So I'm going to do a test by making the overnight spelt flakes. Usually I put some almond milk in and cinnamon, squash banana, and salts. What else do I do? A bunch of things like that. You can make all sorts of flavors, but yeah. So I'll probably do a video on that just to kind of show you how those flakes hold up as compared to the commercial brand. But great little machine if you're in need of that. They are back in stock. So thank you so much, guys. Check out the links below. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe.